We at Lens Technologies have done more than 100 plus Zoho Recruit projects. And it has been a great journey for us to understand customers' challenges, build good solutions, and deliver them to the customers. Go with a happy smile. Lens Technologies was founded in the year 2013 as a software service company. Our focus has been to offer business automation solutions to mid-market segments, empowering them to organize, streamline, and scale up their businesses.
So Zoho is one suite of product which has complete suite of solutions in sales, marketing, HR, payroll, and financial aspects, and data integrates seamlessly between each of these products. And it is very, very important for any customers to have integration, because most of the customers spend more money on integration these days, and Zoho really reduces this cost for them.
When it comes to hiring, the recruiter as an individual is put under immense pressure. One, there is budgeting. So the company budgets for a number of manpowers per year, and then it comes to the time to fill. It comes to the recruiter. Now, what the recruiter does is, if he doesn't have an application tracking system, he has to go over his mail ID and look at all the resumes he received over a span of time. He has to open every single thing one by one, and then he has to match with the job opening. So this takes a lot of time. And when we look at from the the organization standpoint, the hiring manager is just going to look at the time to hire and the cost to hire. So when it comes to Zoho Recruit, it gives a place where it gives a company a single repository for all the candidates.
Zoho Recruit, the unique feature about it is to customize the solution the way the customer needs it. And it's very easy for us to customize the hiring pipeline for every different roles an organization has.
When it comes to corporate HRs, the major two challenges I see them go through are handling referrals and also handling offer letters. So referrals comes with referral bonus from the employee's end. So this is something which becomes a challenge for them on a day-to-day basis. In Zoho Recruit, it offers the option where employees can refer a fellow candidate to the organization who seems to be an appropriate fit. And also offer letters, Zoho Recruit gives you the option where they can disperse offer letters at a click of a button rather than going and creating your own offer letter over and over again. It's a very repetitive process. So through customization, you'll be able to disperse offer letters and also get acceptance in a matter of seconds. I think that's the primary challenge most of the HRs face. So the key aspect of Zoho Recruit is the customization. So what may be the requirement of a client, we would be able to deliver with a versatile tool like Zoho Recruit.
Coming to the growth that we as Lens Technologies had, we had 80% growth in the last financial year, and this year we are anticipating 150+ percentage of growth for this year. Zoho helps you to hire faster, hire better.